In this video, we will make our first official move in our sailboat liveaboard journey. A quick sail across Lake Wimico, our first dolphin sightings, and our first night not in our home port. We started in Panama City, and we are making our way to Port St. Joe through the Intercoastal Waterway. While we could do this journey offshore, we are enjoying our time here in the ICW before we make the jump across the Gulf.
Hey, how's it going? This is Adam Doty. We have a Alright, so side car over there.
It was only a day of motor sailing, but we were all ready to be on land. We continue to learn more about what it means to be a liveaboard. With no water heater on our boat, we rely mostly on marina showers, and this marina in particular had a very sulfuric smelling shower. You see them? After a bit of dolphin watching, we were in for the night, ready to see a storm come through. The night was rocky, but we made it. It was time to dry ourselves off and keep moving, sailing on to Apalachicola.
I should probably do an engine check real quick.
Okay.
Very nice.
There's water all down in there.
Yeah, I see that.
If you look closely, you'll see a bald eagle resting almost on the water. This was right at the entry to Lake Wimico, and we finally had the chance to put our sails up.
Look, it's not floating.
After 2 days of motoring through the ICW, we finally made it to Apalachicola, where we'd spend the next week. As sailors with full-time jobs, we only get to sail on the weekends, and that's if there's good weather. Update?
We made it into the Water Street Hotel and Marina in Apalachicola after a really nice day of motoring through the intercoastal. Went through Wimico Lake and the Apalachicola River.
We sailed through Wimico.
Yeah, we sailed through the lake, which was nice to cut the engine off, get some quiet. And we just got the head sail up, and we were doing like...
We did 5 knots for a while there, just with the head sail.
Yeah, it was really nice. Really shallow lake though, so we were careful.
Dodging bushes and logs and...
Careful to keep it in the channel. But this Apalachicola seems like a really cool little town.
Very cool.
And it's small, so we can walk everywhere we want to go. Might check out Oyster City Brewery tonight.
We're staying at a hotel slash marina.
Yeah, it's a little...
It's mostly a hotel, but it's got like docks.
Yeah, little boat slips here. It's really neat.
Only one dock that has a 15-foot beam.
Yeah.
Like a 15-foot width, and we have a 14-foot beam.
Yeah. We're really happy to be here after last night. Last night was really rough. We were at the mouth of the intercoastal, or at the mouth of the... Last night we were where the St. Joseph Bay meets the intercoastal, right at the mouth of the bay. So we were getting, and we were tied up so we could see out into the bay, and we were getting all of the wave and winds coming in. Lots of rain.
It didn't feel worth it to pay money to be where we were.
No, we would have been better off anchoring somewhere in the intercoastal than paying for this shoddy dock with... It wasn't even protected. It was not protected at all, and we felt every wave coming in. I was up half the night worried about being off the dock. You know,
And some parts it was pouring down rain.
Yeah, a lot of rain too. About 30 knots of wind. It was a rough night, but tonight's gonna be much more peaceful.
I think I slept better than you.
You did.
I was asleep most of the night. I think you and I got up a couple times.
Yeah, well, I was awake most of the night. I was up a while.
Well, we're gonna have a nice, peaceful evening.
Yes.
Next time, we'll explore Apalachicola and really get a feel for boat life as we search for food, water, and adventure.